friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. Did you have these troubles or issues while decorating for the puja?
Tying Ammavari's face does not stay in place. Coconut is big for Ammavari's face. Vessel in use is big. One side gets too heavy and moves. Sharing an easy cardboard hack that works for me. First, I measure the depth of the vessel and Ammavaru face. Based on that, I cut the cardboard piece. Simply roll the cardboard tight and place it into the vessel and see if it fits. Now, when you try to connect Ammavaru's face, there is still a gap. For that, I am using some more cardboard and attaching it to Ammavaru's face using glue. I always add painted tape on Ammavaru's face so that it is easy to detach after my puja. You can use this hack as per Ammavaru's face size and vessel or any base that you are planning to use. Just adjust the cardboard size and attach as needed. Remember to add some weight to the vessel that you are using. If you don't add weight, due to the cardboard weight on one side with Ammavaru's face, it will be shaky. So add weight and it will be stable and perfect.
Here I chose 10-inch stick to attach to the vessel. Here I am using the wire in 12 size. Place the vessel. I cut the wire in double size of the stick size. This is 10 inch and the wire I cut is 20 inch. I folded the wire to the center like this. I rolled the wire to the center of the stick. Slowly I am going to turn the wire around. Same on the other side. Now I am going to place the stick on the vessel. I am going to adjust the stick so that it's centered. Now in the back side I am going to twist the wire. And just get it to the front. And twist it around. That's it. On the day of the puja, you can easily assemble the stick to the vessel in less than a minute. With the help of the wire, you can slide the stick in the direction you want and it will still stay strong to drape the saree. We need to create a smooth surface for the coconut so that we can add the design on top of this. For that, I am using a steel scrub and I'm just gonna remove all the extra pieces like this. While mixing turmeric, don't mix it too hard or too watery. Make it like dosa batter consistency. This is too thick. This is perfect consistency. Now nicely apply the turmeric. Apply one coat, wait for 5 minutes and apply another coat of turmeric.